Hello learners, welcome to LC Academy and welcome back to our UI designs journey. In the previous video, we learned very interesting topic that is mobile UI designs. In this video, we learn about what is website design in UI. Okay, let's get into the video guys. Okay, first of all, in today's session, we are going to learn about what is website UI designs, and in this end of the video, we can create a one website. Okay, website UI design. Whenever we visit a website, whether it's Amazon, Netflix, Apple, or any other websites, the first thing we notice is not a code behind it. We notice the design, and that where web UI designs comes in. Like it includes everything user can interact with the whole on websites such as button, menus, image, color, typography, forms, buttons, and many other layout things. Okay, the goal of UI web design is create a websites that looks attractive and easy to use for a user. The good UI helps user find the informations quickly and complete the task without confusion. I give some example. The first one is Apple website. You can imagine, you can open the Apple website. The moment you land on the home page, it looks clean, professional, and easy to navigate. That's because every element has been carefully designed. A strong UI creates a trust, improve the usability, and strengthens brand identity. You can see the website first that looks very attractive. You can impress, and the brand will be stored in your mind. So remember, user often decide whether they like a website within just a few seconds. The real time example is compare the Apple websites with poorly designed local websites that has too many colors and clustered contents. You will immediately notice that difference. Okay, and the second one is website layout structure. In the previous video, we learned what is mobile layout structure. It has some buttons and the side menus. These are some layouts. In this video, we learn website layout structure. Now let's understand what is website layout structure. Almost every modern websites follow a similar layout. The first is header section. The header is usually contains the logo, navigation, like links and the important action buttons. Okay, the second section is the hero or body section. That is where the main message of the website is presented. If you are opening some e-commerce websites, first of all, the what is this website and what are the things in that website. So the main content of the website is represented in your body section. Okay, this is where the main message of the websites represent. This appears the bottom of the page. The third one is footer section. Header section like footer section. Footer section is the bottom of the page and contains the contact information, social media links, privacy policies, and additional navigation links. You can see the website footers like it have some YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and many other professional and her own social media links in her footer page, and then the address of the website's contact number in the footer section. So think of a websites like a shopping mall. The header is the entrance. The body is where the visitors explore the products and services. The footer is like an information desk at the exit. Well, a well-organized layout helps user understand where to go next. Okay, and the real-time example is visit Amazon. You will notice the logo and menu at the top, the product in the middle, and the additional links in there in the bottom. Okay, this is the structure of the layout. There are three main sections. One is header and another one is body or hero section. The third one is footer. Okay, in most of the websites have a same structure layout. That is the three properties. Header section, like the header section is usually first thing users see. If you are opening some website, the first user can see that header section. So the good headers immediately tells your users who you are, that where they can do in that website. Okay, there are three key elements in header section. The first one is logo. This helps user identify the brand instantly. The second one is navigation bar, and then these helps move between different pages. The now bar is mostly used to move the different pages. The third one is CTA button. CTA button is nothing but it's a call to action button. Example, get start, sign up, or contact us. This type of buttons. A good header should be simple and uncultured. Too many links and overwhelm users. The good designer's goal is guide visitors and not confuse them. Okay, the real time example is like you can see the Spotify website. Okay, the header is clean, simple, and easy to understand. You can visit the websites one by one for your clarifications. And then the next one is hero section or body section. After the header comes the hero section. This is often the most important part of websites because grabs the visitor's attention. A strong hero section contains four things. The first one is headline, and the headlines is the communicates the main value of the website, and the second one is subtitle. The subtitles provide the additional informations, and the visual element, what are the images, illustrations, or videos, and many other animations in that hero section page. And the finally is CTA buttons. The CTA buttons is section should answer one question. Why should I stay on this website? The visitor should understand your message within a second. So you can use the call to action button. Then next one is navigation menu. Navigation is one of the most important usability feature of many websites. Without proper navigation, user get lost. There are three common navigation styles: horizontal navigation, navigation menu, and a drop down navigation. The horizontal navigation is the most common style for desktop websites. Most of the websites have a horizontal navbars, and the hamburger menu means it's commonly used in the mobile devices, and the drop down menus it helps to organize the large amount of contents inside the drop down menu. The purpose of navigation is very simple, that is helps users to find the informations quickly. Okay, you can see the navigation bar. If you need to go a home button, the navigation shows the home button, and if you need about the website, you can only click the navigation about button. So the users works quickly running the using of navigation menus. Okay, the example, yeah, e-commerce websites like Amazon, Myntra, or any Flipkarts use the drop-down menus because they have the thousands of product categories. In e-commerce websites have accessories, dresses, stationaries, and many other gadgets, electronics, home things, all are have in one e-commerce website. So it have a thousand of product categories. So the navigation menu, the drop down menu is used in that real time. Okay. Call to action button. That means CTA buttons. These buttons encourage users to the actions. Example, buy now, get start, and book a demo, subscribe, subscribe, and then sign in login buttons. So a CTA button should immediately attract the attention. So the CTA buttons mainly have a contrast color buttons. This can achieve the using contrast spacing and a clear text for that CTA buttons. One common mistake is using multiple primary CTA buttons on the same page. When everything is important, nothing feels important. Okay, so user needs a clear path. Netflix Netflix use the strong CTA buttons that encourage users start their subscription immediately. Okay. If you are attract the users immediately, you can enhance your website designs. Okay. Footer section. Footer section means many designers underestimates the importance of the footer. However, user often scroll all the ways to the buttons looking at additional information. A footer typically includes the contact information, social media links, privacy policy, terms and condition, additional navigation links also. So the well designed footer improves the trust and makes the websites feel complete. Okay. Most companies have a support information and social media links in that own footer page. Okay, footer section. Responsive basics. Today users browse websites on phones, tablets, laptop and desktop. That's why responsive design is extremely important, because if you can use the responsive design in your websites, all devices are your responsive websites provide the consistent for the every devices or all type of devices. Without responsive designs, websites may look broken on mobile devices. If you are create a design for mobile responsive, that time the website design will be broken. So the responsive designs is the very important to designing. The website examples. Now analyze the real world websites. The header section, the hero section, navigation bar, CTA buttons, footer. Okay. If you are a beginner, you can ask yourself some questions. What worked well and what could be improved? This practice helps you like a UI designer. Okay. And okay. Now we can see some real-time examples. Okay. Open your Figma page and then start our website design. Okay. This is our Figma page. Create a new page. Okay. Okay. Now this is a new page for our website design. First of all, I set the frame. Yesterday we see the mobile view. Now the frame is tab. Okay. Tab, I need a MacBook 16. Okay. This is our MacBook frame. Now I can change the color. I need to give the base color is black. Okay. If you are not understand this website design, first of all you can go and see the previous mobile view designs. Okay. Now I can choose the base color is black and add a two rectangular First of all, create rectangular one. Click this and add the corner radiuses 30. Okay, 30. Corner radiuses 30. The same button for same button for now change the corner radius is 30. Okay, now two buttons are created. Okay, now change the color. Add green color. Okay, choose this green and click this. The same roof for a click it. Okay, now add a okay. Now add a text. Login. Change the font size is 24. Okay, now change the font size is 32. Okay, change the font size. Change the font family is Poppin. Okay. And add the another sign in. Okay. Now our login and sign in page will be page is created. Button. Sorry. Okay. Now I add some styles. Okay. And you can click that pen and sorry, you can click the pencil and add the okay. Now add a simple design. It's your own choice. Okay. If you add any other animation effects, you can make it. Okay. Now I add a brush. The brush color is same green. Okay. Okay. Increase the size if you need. Okay. Now I can add a new text. Gaming. Gaming. Okay. Choose the name and add a font is 64. Okay. Now change the font color is the same green. Okay. Now we can enhance this website. Sign in login button will be created and add a click this. Okay. Now we add a image. I'm already say in some images that is okay gaming 2. Okay. Now add another image. No, not this image. First of all, you download an image from your browser and open the browse. Open your remove. This is the logo. Okay. Now set this image and drag the image into the okay. Correct. Now the frame. Okay. choose this the same way. Okay. Now we can okay. Now we can add this image in the side. Okay. And add another image that is now add some content. Okay. Now add some text like welcome to the gaming world. Let's start your journey with us. Okay. Okay. With us. Okay. Now add a new rectangular button inside. Okay. Now add the text. Now change the buttons. Change the rectangular corner. Okay. Corner is 3, 5. Change the color in green. And then color in green. And add a text. Click this box and click this box. Okay. Now Okay. Now add a text. Get start. Get start. Okay. Change the font style. 45. Okay. Now this is the simple website basic website creating method. Okay. Now we can finish this session, and I hope you guys you can understand this video, and you are only create some designs using mobile UI and website UI. Okay, we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching LC Academy. Thank you.